Let me make sure this fucking thing is recording. I can't even tell because of the glare. Oh, and I got rocks in my shoes. So here we are recording. I said I'd try to make a vlog on Sunday. I had a new subscriber, EnduroRider New Mexico. Shout out to you, buddy. Your videos are sick. I enjoyed them. A lot. So I've been watching a few of them. I only saw like 3 or 4, but I'll watch more. I enjoyed them. So here's my little video. I'm not out on the big bike. I might ride to baseball later, but I took the woman riding, and now I'm sitting out here with my cooler having a beer. So maybe if I just have one, I might ride later, but if I have any more than one, I ain't riding later just because, fuck, I don't really drink and ride. The odd time maybe here and there, like after a fucking couple beers in the afternoon, just if I'm somewhere just fucking local. But other than that, I don't really drink and ride. So I'll bust out a little vlog. I know I haven't been putting out many videos lately, but life happens, you know. One of those deals. I just haven't had time to edit, and my camera fucked up. It's still kind of fucked, but it's a little better now. Hopefully there's no one coming the other way here, please. I don't know if these people even know about these back trails or not. They just come here and hit that stupid jump. It's the fucking stupidest jump ever, but whatever. That's what people like to do, right? To each their own. This fucking shit's intense. I don't know, I guess I'll try and go this way a little bit. These are like the little single tracks. I've been here before in my videos. It's just like a little old, like abandoned quarry by my place. Well, not far from my place. I'm just squidding it in shorts and a t-shirt. Well, I got a riding jersey on, and I got gloves, so I'm like better equipped than half the fucking riders actually out there. Ow. Fucking stupid fucking trees. There's a little BMX jump. More BMX jump. Oh, look at all this shit, eh? This would have been cool to bring my mountain. I was almost going to bring my mountain bike, and I didn't. I should have. I don't think I've ever been down this one, really. Maybe I have. Oh, it burnt my leg on the exhaust. So yeah, as I said, sorry for the lack of videos. I'm not gonna fucking be putting out tons of videos though, because almost just endoed and fucking went over the bike. I don't want to just put out junk fucking moto vlogs all the time. I'm kind of getting bored of that. I'm gonna try to make a few more epic style videos with some music and kind of mixed in with vlogs rather than just fucking the regular old moto vlog. I think I'm gonna try and do something a little different. I'm not gonna be putting out, I'm not gonna promise I'm gonna put out this many videos at this many times. I'll put out what I can put out, and I'm sorry if it's not as much as you guys want, but fuck, I'm trying, alright? That's all I can promise you. I can't, I got fucking, as I said, I just, you know, life happens. Videos come second. And, this is a fun little bike to rip around on, though. It really is. Yeah, I should have went out around this way the first time, instead of smashing into that tree. But yeah, yeah, there's a bunch of people ripping around here on their big bikes. I should have brought mine, but I was just like, fuck, I'm just out here to teach the woman. Whoa! Sorry, buddy. Fucking motherfucker. Almost got, I told you there's big bikes out here. I'm out here on this little fucking dinky fucking thing. Almost getting hit by some stupid little kid on an RM 125. Can't really wheelie this thing. I thought I would have been able to. I can wheelie it in like second with clutch and first with just power, but apparently not second with power. I'm not very good at wheeling anyway. I'm getting better. I'm not very good at like the technique of power wheeling and shit. Into the rut. Fuck. I'm getting better. This little bike's way different too. It's fucking hard as rock rear suspension. It's just a woman's little fucking first little bike, right? It rips pretty good though. It's not the worst first bike in the world, that's for sure. Oh, losing my grip here. Oh, those are big ruts. Oh. Put down, turn around donuts. Donuts are fun on bikes. There's a little jump back here I used to hit. This fucking suspension. Oh! This suspension sucks ass. For hitting the jump, but I'm gonna do it. Just for you guys here. A couple beers deep, why not hit it, eh? What's the worst that's gonna happen? I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. Oh! That was fun. I'm doing that again. That was real fun. Oh, fuck. So here's another fucking pit and bike adventure here. It's a little copy of Baker X Derek, but I hope you guys enjoy it. This is hitting the jump. Oh! That is so much fun. Oh my god. One more time. I don't want to break the woman's bike, but fuck, this is a lot of fun. I wish I had brought my bike. I should have. I don't know why I didn't. I just didn't feel like loading it in. Hung over. Fucking shit happens. I was doing shit. I was yanking fucking trees out of my front yard all day today. Oh! That was fun. Ooh, a little fucking spin around there. This bike's a lot of fun. But as I said, I'm gonna try to go for a little bit more a little more of an epic style moto vlog and not so much just putting out a vlog every week just of me randomly talking about a subject. I'm gonna try and do something a little differently.